Tinting to doors on
Using
Jeep.
the Jeep compass, they want it to match the back 20%. So what we do is we'll remove that cover. There's a 10 millimeter bolts in here. Remove that. There's a little cap with a Phillips screw. You remove that, pull back on it, remove the felt rubber, clean the window, and we'll show you the next step. So here's what I do. I'll measure out and kind of eyeball it straight up. Make sure it's past that. So this one would be about 34 or so inches. So we cut it at the length that we measured. Then we set it up to the bottom of the molding. Easiest way so you don't have to cut on the vehicle. The less you cut on the vehicle, the better. Tighten it up against it. Get all your bubbles out. Doesn't have to be perfect. You're just measuring and lining. Mark it. Mark the front edge of it. Roll the bottom up. Send the window down a little. Bring it up about a 1/4 inch or so. Pop it right on top of the window. Walk it all the way across smoothly. Always cut upwards and outwards. Now you have a perfect cut against the window. All right, so once you mark it, you're gonna cut it against another piece of window, bring it back, set it on, spray it with water. Do the edges like a U, then bring all the water down. And you'll see the fingers popping up. What you'll do, turn on your heat gun. I like setting it up at the highest setting and the highest setting. Heat and wind. Once you see it curl like that, bring them down. Wherever there's air going in, it'll just go up on its own. Once you got it all and it doesn't do it anymore, lift the bottom off, snap heat it like this, just to heat it up a little, tighten up everything. And that's it, and you'll install it. All right, once you do that, set your tint on the outside, let it sit and wait. I cleaned the window already, forgot to record that, then wet it, wet your hands a little so you don't leave any fingerprints. Mist the window, peel off the liner. Mist it as you peel, in case dirt's around. You will never get it perfect. Nothing is ever perfect. Too much dust in the air, but you can get it damn near perfect. Mist it well. The less you grab on the tint, the better. I always grab one little edge only. The rest of it, I set my hand underneath. Work the tint. Work it in every direction you can. Once you get it right, it'll slide right in. Mist it one more time. Squeegee it slowly to get some water out. And This is the time just to move a little bit of water around so you can adjust it if needed. Push everything to the edges. Grab your corner tool. Get your water down from the edges. Then you'll spray it. Light mist. Put your hand behind the window. Push hard. You could break a window if you don't support the window. Get all the water, as much water as you can out. Last edges out. Put your window up. You've already heated it, so you don't have to worry about the fingers popping up. Just go slow so you don't crimp the tints. And there you go. That's it.